Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace replace this. Is your window switch, the electric window switch in your vehicle, and to get access to this you have to remove the door panel. I've heard of some reports of doing it without, but it's just as easy to remove your door panel. So first we're going to have to pop this cover off. We remove that. We've got a cover here that we need to pop out. And there's another little one here because there's a Phillips screw here as well as a Phillips screw there that we need to remove to then and then we'll work our way around and pull all the push pins. So with that removed, now you can take your non-marring tool. So right down here at the bottom there is a gap. You can get this in to start. And work your way around. With all your push pins popped out, then you can just lift and raise up the door to remove. Then you'll need to unclip the door handle and the electric back here. Go. And with that is the way we remove our door to be able to get access to anything and everything back here if we need to be. But we can also, you just had to push a little tab and then pop this off, and this is for your door handle and lock. We have these two electrics to undo. And that's where that little connector for this door handle locks in. It just goes in at an angle and then you snap it into place. And now we'll go ahead and go over how you remove that. So that's how you remove the door panel on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.